Hey guys, how's it going? Mark Möchter speaking from Smart Brain Academy. Today is Monday, start of the week, and I hope you had a really great weekend. I had one because Germany was playing against, who was it? France. I almost forgot. Germany was playing against France in the World Cup, in the Soccer World Cup, Football World Cup, I call it football, and we won. Okay, perfect. Now, that's not the thing I want to talk about today. The thing I want to talk about is I see questions over and over coming up where people asking, how can I make more money? Okay, and it's actually a really broad question because there can be thousands of answers. Okay, thousands at least. Thousands of different answers. But one thing I discovered is when you want to make more money, okay, then you just have to add more value to the market. It's easy like that. It's maybe not the answer you want to hear because most people want to hear something, okay, how can I make more money? And then the answer should be, I don't know, go to this and this traffic source, put in an ad and make more money. Okay, that's not that easy. It can be that easy, okay, if you know what to do. But when people ask, how can I make more money? Then my answer would be, add more value to the market, okay? And it doesn't matter what it is. I mean, maybe you have to do a new product, a really good one, you over deliver. That's a lot of value to the market and you can make more money, okay? Or even record a new video, a new tutorial, a new article, stuff like that, okay? Bring value to the market. Maybe you're starting a podcast, okay? To bring more value to the market, that people have or build really a relationship with you and build trust. And with that, okay, you're not selling on your podcast, but people will see your expertise and they will see, okay, that's a reliable guy, and he is like you and me. And then when you bring value to the market, people maybe checking out your blog, joining your newsletter list, and then you can sell to them, okay? And I will give you an example here. It's actually quite easy. I don't know if you have followed any of the big launches recently, because every big launch, you most of the time have something like a pre-launch. That means the marketer is putting out most of the time videos, okay? They're giving a lot or giving away a lot of information in those videos. Actually, traffic sources or how they do their business. They are not giving away everything, but they're giving away a big part, okay? A really big part. It's something like a pre-launch, and they have most of the time they have 2, 3, 4 different videos before the launch. They start with that, I don't know, 2 weeks before the launch, and then they educate the people, okay? And they show them how they do it, but okay, they don't show everything because they're adding a lot of value, but still they want to sell the product. That's the reason why they don't give you all the information. But most of the time, they already over-deliver and giving away a lot of information before the product launch started, okay? And that means you see this, okay? You see all the information. And actually, sometimes you can take this information, implement it, and make money. Even with the free stuff, okay? And then you are thinking, okay, when he's giving away that much free stuff and that much value, what is he giving away with this paid product? And then you are actually hooked, okay? You're going to buy because you know this marketer is providing a lot of value. And yeah, that's the reason why those marketers make a lot of money, because they're adding more value to the market. And you should do the same. Easy like that. Like always, I mean, people overcomplicate this. They think, okay, I have to do that, that, and that, and I have to learn a new thing, but just add more value to the market, okay? that's it for today. I hope you have a great Monday. And yeah, have a look underneath the video is a link to my bootcamp series where I teach a lot more like that. Okay guys, have a good one.